Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Impreza radiator. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a socket set, and your new radiator. Always ensure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or steam. For an added layer of safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the radiator's drain cock. Open the drain cock and let all the old coolant completely flow out into the pan. Once drained, carefully disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. You will also need to remove any fan shrouds and disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the radiator assembly. Take your time with these steps. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, you can now remove the old radiator. Unbolt the radiator mounting brackets, typically 2 or 4, and carefully lift the old unit out of its bay. Before installing the new radiator, take a moment to inspect it for any shipping damage. Then, gently lower the new radiator into position, ensuring it seats correctly. Secure it by rebolting the mounting brackets and reconnecting all hoses, fan shrouds, and electrical connections. Finally, it's time to refill and test your cooling system. Pour the correct type and amount of coolant into the radiator, ensuring you use the manufacturer's recommended blend. Bleed any trapped air from the system to prevent potential overheating issues. Once refilled, start the engine and let it reach its normal operating temperature, carefully checking for any leaks. Monitor your coolant levels over the next few drives, topping off as necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.